Welcome to our training session on how to use the UBoss Portal call reporting feature. Today we're going to look at how you can use the CAT Communications UBoss Portal to access your inbound and outbound call logs, and, should you also subscribe to it, your call recordings. Firstly, you log on to your secure management portal at catcommunicationsuboss.com and you log in with your email address and a password that you've been allocated or created after you've logged in for the first time. So when you log in, you'll be faced with this screen for the first time. This is your home screen. You will see across the top of the home screen you have a series of hotkeys. These can be personalized as shortcut keys instead of going through the menu that appears down here on the left. Let's start by focusing on how to use and make the most of the call reporting feature in the UBoss management portal. So initially, you go down here to Reports, using the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Reports, and what it will do is it will bring up all the reports that are available in the UBoss management system. Some of these reports will only be available based on the subscription level you have, so for the sake of this demonstration, we'll go to the basic call reporting. Now scroll down, look for the sub-menu called Calls, and then go to Call Logs. This will show you all your inbound and outbound call activity for your business. Once in Call Logs, I will click on Show More Options. Show More Options is your filters. This is where you can narrow down your call list. Without using the filters, it will log every single call over the period that you're looking for. It always defaults the time period as today. It is a drop-down box, so you can look for predetermined periods or create your own period if you're looking for a call within a certain timescale. Let's change the time period we're going to look for from today to this month. There are other filters you can look for, such as length of call and time of call. One of the most popular filters is called Direction. Direction means by default it's looking for all calls, both inbound and outbound of your business. You can change that to just look for incoming calls or just look for outgoing calls. Now, the relevance with this is if you change this to incoming and you want to add a filter of looking for the caller's number on an incoming call, the caller's number will go into this originating number box here. If it was an outgoing call and you're looking for the customer's number, that would be a destination number, so you'd put it in here. Now, the good thing with originating number and destination number is you don't have to put the full number in. So if you were searching for a phone number that ended 123456, you could just put 456 in and it'll bring every call with 456 consecutive. The only other filters people really use are the user filter and the service filter. Now, if I don't change these, this will look for all calls in the business. If I change the user filter, which again is a drop-down box, it will bring all the people up in your business. So by changing that filter to them, it will only log calls for that one person. And then you've got 3 tick boxes below which say internal calls, external calls, and missed calls, so you can further expand or reduce your call logs here. Then, when you select View, it will now bring up all calls based on the filter and the period that you created. So you can see here it's logged 250 calls. It has the time, the date, the user to call, his phone number, and the phone number it was answered on. Anything that's underlined can be clicked on, so you click on there, and what it does now is it brings up the call recording. So I've got call recording. If you don't subscribe to call recording, this option won't be available. If you do, it lets you play call recordings here or download them here. This will be helpful if you need to send it to a customer or colleague, or you had to upload it to your CRM system, you could do that as well. Now, a new feature that we have coming, which will be added to your call system, is call recording transcription and sentiment analysis. What you can also do, once you're happy that the call logs page is something you're going to access on a regular basis, then you just take the link from your address bar in your browser and copy it. Next, go back to where it says Home, and this is where you can modify your hotkeys. So you put the URL web link that you've just copied and paste it here. Let's rename this Call Reporting. You can then put it in your brand colors and hit save. And now that is your new hotkey to call reporting, which will take you directly in the filter I showed you previously. If you have questions, please email us on support@catcommunications.co.uk.